Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Did you have your tacos on Taco Tuesday? Huh? Um, I had a couple comments on last night's dinner. Yes, I know it wasn't St. Patrick's Day. Um, but hey, it was good. I actually had an unexpected visitor last night, Robin. I know it seems unusual, but she was supposed to be, well, she was in the Bay Area at a training, and she was supposed to pick up leftovers from, for last night, and yeah, yeah, yeah. But she got out of her training early, she gave me a call, and she actually made it right on time for dinner last night. So we both enjoyed the corned beef brisket and kolkanen. It was a nice time. Yeah, she even hung out a little bit afterwards. So yeah, it was good. I did the boiled, the traditional boiled method with my version of a pickling spice, and I did a mirepoix on the bottom. Oh, the house smelled wonderful. Just, and considering I had the house closed up because of the heat, it really smelled just great. Both recipes will be online in the group. So yeah, tonight, thank God the weather's cooling off today, because the culinary expedition is going to be in Denmark, where I am going to be preparing, let me get this right, Nordic Noodle tomato soup. Robin pointed out over the weekend, this past weekend, that I have 3 tomato something soups in this week's menu. So this is day 1 of the tomato soups. This is a popular soup in Denmark, and I look forward to it. It is super simple. Super simple. So let's get to it. And we're starting off with some Roma tomatoes. I'm going to dice these up into bite-sized pieces per recipe. It's hard to distinguish which noodles they're using in the recipe. So I'm actually just going to go with egg noodles. So I don't want to do with pasta. And there's garlic. There's one thing missing in this blank hole, and that's green onions. You know me, I'm trying to buy my fresh produce the day of, or it's not the day before. There's an egg. It kind of reminds me of egg drop soup a little bit, because we basically scramble the egg and then it gets finished in the soup broth. Kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of oil to do a little bit of sauteing of the garlic and onions. Chicken stock, they also say you can actually use mushroom stock. I have never seen mushroom stock in the stores. And just a little bit, a splash or two of soy sauce. So there you have it. Real simple. I mean, really simple. Yeah. So, what do you got going on for tonight? Anything? Any suggestions for the next big live cooking show? Any help? Thank you for all those who have given me suggestions so far. They look yummy, but I could use your help. All right. So on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.